What is up guys, and welcome back to the New Game Plus. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error you keep getting with Jitterbug saying they cannot mount the developer image. This is actually pretty simple to fix. This is basically based on your iOS version that you're using. You need to have something called the developer image. The developer image is actually available on the developer page of the Jitterbug Developer, and like I said before, you just need to match the iOS version that you have and you need to download the developer version. After you download that version, you need to open Jitterbug, and when you open Jitterbug, you're gonna go what it says supported files. When you go to supported files, you are going to select the correct version of your iOS version and import the developer image. And after that, you just gotta go to supported files again in your Jitterbug app and select it, and this should solve the issue you're having right now with the Jitterbug app. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.